installing Python in Ubuntu is relatively easier than the Windows. You can make a Google search and then you can open this page from here. You just have to sudo apt update and then you can install the Python. Let's paste this command from here and directly into the terminal. Okay, I have pasted it here. So it will take some time to install the updates. Yeah, after it gets completed, you can install the Python. I am speeding up the video to make it faster. Now that it's complete, we can install Python. So we have to copy this command that says sudo apt install python 3 into our terminal and just paste it here. So it will install the Python into our system, and you can then check the Python version by command python minus minus version, and you can see this is the Python version that I have installed in my system.